Welcome back. Now let's look at the solution to this problem. This question says that the average number of spectators at a football competition for the first 5 days was 3,144. On the 6th day, the attendance was 3,920, and we have to find the total attendance on the first 5 days. That's the first question. And then the second question says we should find the average attendance for the 6 days. This is a very simple question, and so let's quickly go ahead and look at the solution to this question. So the total attendance on the first 5 days that the question is talking about is only talking about the sum of the spectators on the first 5 days. Okay, the total attendance on the first 5 days that the question is talking about has to do with the sum of the spectators, okay, for the first 5 days. So per our basic deduction, the n is what? 5, and then the mean is what? 3,100. Okay, 3,100. So on the first 5 days, the average was what? 3,100. Okay, what it means is that our n is 5, okay, and then our mean is what? 3,100. So as I said, the first question is only looking for the sum of the spectators we have, okay, or the sum of the spectators recorded for the 5 days. We can quickly fix in these values and then get the sum of spectators for the first 5 days, as I said, to be equal to the sum over 5 is equal to 3,100. Okay, don't forget that the 5 over here is our n, okay, and then the 3,100 over here is our mean. Alright, so when you solve this, you'll be getting the sum to be 3,100 times 5, and that should be giving you 15,500 spectators. What it means is that for the first 5 days, okay, the total number of spectators was what? 15,500, and that is what the first question is asking. Okay, the total attendance on the first 5 days, okay, and that is 15,500. Alright, now let's continue and look at the second question, the average attendance for the 6 days. Now all we know is that for the first 5 days, the sum of the spectators that came was what? 15,500, and then on the 6th day, the attendance was what? 3,544. Alright, so to answer the second question, the average attendance for the 6 days, we have to find the sum of the spectators for the 6 days divided by 6. Okay, the sum of the spectators for the 6 days divided by what? 6, and that will be equal to the sum of the spectators for the 5 days plus the spectators on the 6th day, okay, divided by 6. So the average attendance for the first 6 days, in fact in this case the n is what? 6, okay, and then our sum, okay, the sum now becomes the sum of spectators on the first 5 days plus the spectators on the 6th day. Okay, so the sum becomes 19,044. Okay, so knowing these two values, we can find the average attendance for the 6 days. So the average will be equal to the sum of spectators for the 6 days, which is 19,044, divided by the number of days, which is what? 6. Okay, that's what we have here. So when you solve this, you'll be getting 3,174 spectators as we have here. Okay, we'll be getting 3,174 spectators as we have here. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please you can leave it in the comment section below, and please, if you've not subscribed, please make sure you do so, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime new videos are posted, you'll be notified. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time.